This is a vacuum cleaner. A low vacuum. Right back. Look at you two. There you go. A vacuum out. Compare this. There you go. Vacuum out. Hey folks, this is vacuuming. This is a vacuum out. This is a vacuum base. There's the filter. Okay. This is vacuums. A low vacuum cleaner. There's a filter. I'll turn it this side. Okay. I'm back at wet vacuums. This is a full tool caddy. This is a base. Twist it. And nice big vacuum. This very big. This very big. This is class 2. Moving something in. First this brush back in here. So this is a bigger. This is a big. Okay. This is here. Okay. This is a bigger vacuum cleaner. This is a big, huge vacuum cleaner. Okay. There you go. I put this back in. My YouTube. Okay. Vacuum out. This next that paper. This is a bit of vacuum out. Corner 4. There's a filter here. We'll put this back in the vacuum cleaner spots. Put back in here. I'll buy back. Put back in here. Hey, how do I use the bathroom? Take a use the bathroom. I'll buy back. I'm back. This is here. Okay. Take out filters. That's very big one. That's a big one. The partial filter, washable, reusable filter, and upside. Just a minute. There's the garbage. Okay. That sucks. Okay. The charges pop off. Like that. There's a charger right here. Okay, back in the machine. Okay. Put this back. Computer charger. Okay. And charger. Okay. Thank you for watching. Wait. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Alright. Alright, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.